Welcome to our food delivery application project. We are Sophie Nguyen and Quan Tran. We are from Georgia State University. This project is for CSC 4360 Mobile App Development Spring 2024 of Professor Lewis Henry. Let's introduce the background of the food delivery application. The primary goal of this project is to develop a user-friendly mobile application that enables customers to discover, order, and track the delivery of a wide variety of restaurant meals. The food delivery application aims to provide a convenient and efficient solution for users to browse menus, place orders, and receive on-demand deliveries, simplifying the overall food ordering and delivery experience. The food delivery application is designed for individuals who frequently require the delivery of food, including students, working professionals, families, and others who value the convenience of on-demand food delivery services. There are three main key features. Diverse restaurant offerings. The application will provide users with a wide range of restaurants available for on-demand delivery. Seamless order placement and tracking. Users will be able to easily place orders, select delivery options, and track the status of their deliveries in real time. User-friendly interface and navigation. The application will feature an intuitive and visually appealing user interface, with a focus on easy navigation. Next, there will be a demo of the app. Quan will go through the app.
Hello everyone, my name is Quan and I will be doing the demo of the food delivery app. And as you guys can see, when user first open the app, they will be taken to the login page where they will be able to enter their email and password to log into the app itself. User will also have the option to register for a new account if they don't have that already. So let me just go ahead and do that really quickly. So when I click on this register button, all of this information will be sent to the database so that it can be stored, and this will also take me to the home page when the data have been saved to the database. And as you guys can see, it automatically take me to the home page. And so at our home page we have 4 different icons at the bottom, which we will talk about later. So on this home page we have the restaurant menu, which contains 5 different menus for the user to choose from. So we have a Viet menu, we have a Korean menu, we have Italian, we have Spanish, and we have American. And user can pick item from any one of these menus. It doesn't have to be all on the same menu itself. And each of these items will have the title, will have the description, which basically a short description of what they are, and also the price. And when user click on these item, they will be taken to a new page where they will be able to add the item to the cart itself. So if I were to click on add to cart right now, and as you can see, it will automatically add the item to the cart and it will pop me back into the home page. So let me add a couple more dishes. And now we can go onto the bottom and we can go to the tracking page. So on this tracking page, we will have the address where we are delivering to. We can also change the address if we wanted to, and it will also list the delivery fee as well as the delivery time. And also we will have 2 different buttons we can click from. One is the cart button and the other is the receipt button. So if we were to click on the cart button, it will take us to the cart page, which is also this icon at the bottom right here. You guys can click on, and as you can see, we have 3 different items that we just added a while ago. And so in this page we can also increment or decrement the item, which means we can add or remove the quantity of the item if we wanted to. So for example, I want some more pizza. I can add, you know, 1 more pizza. I can add 3. I can add a lot of them if I wanted to. I can also remove a food item that I don't want. For example, let me remove this really quickly. And there is also an option to remove every single item on the cart itself. So if I were to click on this, it will remove every single thing on the cart. So let me go back. Oh, let me go back and add the item back in. So now if we were to click on the checkout button, this will take us to the page where we can see every single information of, the delivery address, the time, and the total price of this item. So as you guys can see, if I were to click on this checkout button, it will take us to the checkout page, which have the driver information, the estimate delivery time, the food delivery app, which the address of the app, and it will also have our item right here, and as well as the total price of this item. Also, it will have the payment detail, which have been saved earlier. So if we were to click back and click remove that, and if we go into the tracking page, we can also go to the receipt page as well. And if we don't have any item right now, as you guys can see, it doesn't. It will list that we don't have any item in our receipt right now. So there's also one more thing that user can do on this app. If they were to click on the setting page, they will be able to see and change their information. So if we were to click on user information right here, it will display all the user information, like the email, the name, the password, and the date which the user account is created from. And today is April 27, which is I just created a little bit earlier. And if I were to go into manage account and I were to change the first name to something like my name, Kwon, for example, and if I were to click on update information, that will update the user information in real time. So if I were to click on user information now, as you guys can see, the first name has been changed to Kwon. This is in this page we also have the log out button, which will take us back to the login page of the app. And that is it for our delivery app. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy using our app.
Last but not least, Sophie will talk about the high-level overview. These are all tech stacks that we used. Flutter, cross-platform mobile application development framework. Firebase provides authentication and real-time database services. Git, version control system for collaboration and code management. Code editors and IDEs, Visual Studio Code, Android Studio, Xcode, etc. Next is the architecture diagram. We used Firebase to build authentication and real-time database services. We used Firestore to store all the data. And there is a folder called Services to build authentication, including registering, login, and even updating user profiles. Next, we will have models for restaurants and food, which are used for all the components of the app, such as a list of all restaurants, food for each restaurant, tracking information, cart items, etc. We will have a folder called Providers, which is pretty much the logic of the app. There are multiple main pages of the app, such as home page, tracking page, cart page, and setting pages that will use the providers as logic and components as UI to build all the pages up. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for watching. We hope you will have a wonderful day.